Hey there, thanks for checking out this 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI here at Future Auto Sales in Glendale. We're going to be doing a quick walk around the car. I'll tell you a little bit about it. This car has been pretty well maintained on Carfax. I recommend checking out the history records. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission, leather perforated steering wheel, nice sports seats, interior is in pretty good shape. Now, we did our pre-delivery inspection on this car and serviced the fuel system. We replaced the fuel injector pump and some seals. The car is overall in great shape, drives fantastic, shifts as it should, pulls as it should. It's completely stock, has some beautiful wheels, and yeah, it's looking for a new owner. If you have any other questions about the car, feel free to come by and check it out in person or give us a call. We're always here from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. every single day at Future Auto Sales in Glendale.